Welcome to our comparison video where we will be looking at two popular security camera systems, the Hiseeu 2.5K 5 megapixels Wi-Fi security camera system and the wired security camera system. In today's world, ensuring the safety of your home is paramount, and choosing the right security system can make all the difference. Let's dive into the features and specifications of both systems to see which one stands out. When it comes to price, the Hiseeu 2.5K 5 megapixels Wi-Fi security camera system is priced at $199, making it an affordable option for those looking to enhance their home security without breaking the bank. In contrast, the wired security camera system comes in at $400, which is significantly higher. While the price difference is notable, it's essential to consider what features you are getting for that price. The Hiseeu system offers wireless connectivity, allowing for easy installation and flexibility in camera placement. However, this can sometimes lead to connectivity issues depending on your Wi-Fi strength. On the other hand, the wired security camera system uses power over Ethernet, PoE, providing a stable and reliable connection, though it requires more effort to install due to the wiring involved. Both systems come equipped with night vision capabilities, but the wired security camera system has a significant advantage with its 90-foot night vision range, thanks to its 18 infrared LEDs. The Hiseeu system also features night vision, but with a spotlight that may not reach as far. If nighttime surveillance is a priority for you, the wired system may be the better choice. In conclusion, both the Hiseeu 2.5K 5 megapixels Wi-Fi security camera system and the wired security camera system offer unique advantages. The Hiseeu system is a great choice for those looking for an affordable, wireless option, while the wired system provides superior reliability and night vision capabilities. Consider your specific needs and preferences when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.